of slime will it's coming so good. Hi everyone, this is Ramanta and you're watching Running Etiquette channel. So welcome back to our slime kitchen. So today we are going to see a slime. So for that slime we don't need borax, activator and baking soda. No lime solution too. So instead of that we only need peel off mask. Here I'm having black charcoal peel off marks. So with this only we are going to make a slime. Okay, or it will come a black color. Okay, so first let's cut it. I will just tear it from here. So this is the peel off mask. So first we will add the peel off mask. Masky mask. So to this let's add some water. Now mix it. Mix it very well or else it will become a peel. This peel off mask is becoming this peel off slime will this peel off mask is already coming like a slime. I didn't even add the activator, still it is coming because it is a peel. What kind of slime is it? I will put it in my nose or else full of my face. So I want to just try it once. So I will try it in my hand. A little bit. I think this much is it. So first time, so let me check how it will peel after trying. For you only I had buy this peel off mask and making some slime, or else I will not put these chemicals and all. I don't like chemicals. It will spoil our skin. It will come pimples like that. I think we can add some more water. Yes. Oh no. I think we have to mix gently. Oh no, it is coming like a peel. So finally mixing with the water, the texture will be like this. See here, it is drying in my hand too. After making the slime, I will take it and show it. But we should not do like this and all. Okay. Okay. Now let's add some homemade activator. I'm adding a little bit of it. So now let's mix it. It is coming so good. break. So now I can just mix it in my hand, I think. Oh wow, it's not sticking very well. It is so stretchy to play. See. We had add the borax, so don't add it. Okay. Oh no. Hope you like my video. Oh wait. I had said I will peel. So let's see. Yikes! It's not good. It is not a good product at all. So but it is only good for making slime. Okay. So this side only, the plain side only it has peeled. Little much. If you put it after 15 minutes only, it will dry. It hadn't come 15 minutes at all. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and surely try this amazing